Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to show you how to fix your Apple ID when it says that it has not been used in the App Store. So let's dive in. The first thing you want to do is to go ahead and try to sign out of your device. So you go ahead and sign out, then you sign back in. And if that refuses to work, then you can go ahead and restart your device. You just switch it off and switch it on again, and you can try to install from your app. If that refuses to work, then what you need to do is just to go ahead to your settings, to your account settings, and you can report the problem to Apple. You just go and try to report the problem to Apple, and they will fix your issue, or they will show you steps that you can take to remove that option, because it's usually a software problem, and they will show you how to fix it. And that is it, guys. I hope you found this helpful, and I will see you in the next video.